If you've gotten multiple roofing quotes and they're all over the place, you're not crazy. In 2026, we're seeing the same roof quoted anywhere from $12,000 to $40,000, depending on the company. So what is actually going on? Hey, welcome back to the Roof Lab. If you're a homeowner and you're trying to figure out what a roof should cost, then you've come to the right place. So let's start with real numbers for our area. Here in Central and Southwest Ohio, this is what we're seeing in 2026. So for asphalt shingles, they typically range from $6 to $10 per square foot installed. Metal roofs, on the other hand, either standing seam or stone coated, those usually fall between $15 and $20 per square foot installed. So for an average home here in the area, an asphalt roof is typically going to run between $12,000 to $25,000. Standing seam or stone coated is going to run you about $30,000 to $70,000, and that's your baseline. But here's where it gets confusing, because pricing isn't just about the roof itself, it's about the company behind it. So two companies can install the exact same system and be tens of thousands of dollars of difference. Here's why. Large advertising budgets, commission-heavy sales teams, multiple layers of management, financing built into pricing, and high-pressure in-home sales models. And all of that overhead gets built into your roof price. So you're not just paying for a roof, you're paying for the company's structure. And we actually made a deep dive video about this, linked here in the cards, wherever, and down in the description, where we worked with a homeowner here in Southwest Ohio who has a large 4,400 square foot home, and they were quoted over $112,000 for a stone-coated metal roof by the biggest national roofing company in the US, when our company quoted that same exact roof for $70,000. That video has some fantastic information, so make sure you go and check that out. But here's what homeowners don't actually realize. Roofing materials, they aren't secret, they're not proprietary, they're widely available, whether it's asphalt shingles or metal roofing systems. The product itself is often the same. There are many different shingle companies that all make very similarly priced shingles. The difference is how it's installed and how it's priced. That is it. So how do you protect yourself? When you're comparing quotes, don't just look at the number. You need to compare manufacturer, product line, underlayment, ventilation system, warranty level, and the full scope of work. If two quotes are 20 to 40% apart, ask what's actually different, because sometimes it's nothing. So what's the truth about roofing prices here in 2026? It's not just about the roof, it's about the company you hire. Here at the Roof Lab, our goal is simple: to give you the information you need to make the right decision for your home. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.